Hi, I'm just gonna give you a little video on this hot water batch heater I've made a few years ago. It just feeds into there's cold water comes off my garden hose from the bottom of the well pump, and it feeds into the end of the tank down there where that tap is, and the halfway mark, and then there's a high point at the other end of the old hot water tank with a mirror at the back side, and it feeds through a hole in the wall and into down and into the bottom of my hot water tank. So this sort of preheats the hot water